Ketenat Sport and Youth Affairs jong ke Sorkar Jilla entah kesengi ke arpu arterik ulebiar aja arpusan kalapin long ya kesen of ceremony ban ai ke jingkit bok kiruyang ikirang ya liak kai ke Minken Christian Higher Secondary School Bohai Rembang kabanit shimbenta sha second edition of the Indo-French tournament kaban salong ha Paris France nadu ke arpusau terik hadu ke laipau terik ulebiar aja arpusan hakani kesengi uba hamlet sen doling ubalong u presiden ke Meghalaya Football Association ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ke Jingdon lang UDD Shira, Director ke Sport and Youth Affairs, Chairman ke Shillong Lajong Football Club uba Lar Sing Sawian, kidikot ke MFA SSA bat kiwe. Hakani kesengi nakaliang ke MFA kala ai jing yarap ngobha da ke song pisa shikini kisam laya lekai. Hab ai jingkran ha ke jing lang uba hamlet sen doling ulapin pau ke jingkmen ba kani ke school kan yo alat ban ya lekai ha ke international level bat ula ai ke jingkit bok iki kena ke school Minken bakin yo ika jingjob bat kinwan ra burom ya ke jela bat ke rihi borok kawe ha ke juk kopor ula kin turu iki bakin ri ya laki akor ke burom hala bakidon sejengai na lari
ya ke jing kre jungi ngila kre la cendon lai teo ni dan nang mat di sar bobi sar kermel entah di beliar hi borok kiwe kan rimut ngila dan nilai pengkerba coba inmi na ngejela jungi bangun yok ban late persen ya kan dia sya Paris te gajing temu hidungi te nginyelek ban trisdom iwe kenang ba dan dalawan paina Paris nyok ban wan ralang bat ke profi te amnukong langsung an ayu boleh bala ai ngi kalat ke ba kasan yangi we bangi layok ban lek kemat ya kari sya Paris nda ngai ko ble ya ka sport ka circle surgery bade mepet ya lan sport ta ai ko ble ya sar bobi nongbat bala day by coach yangi kan ringut ni dan day coach head coach day sar Bubi nongbat tentang ai kubule ya ke school Minken ke bala ai ni kalat ke ba nadu district ni la yakun sa district udah long ba jong ke school Minken but nang to ni dia ni job na district ni poi state level ang ba de jing simenta jong ke school
Bombing has just stated that nowadays football players can earn in one set more than one group. So we are very, very fortunate enough that we got this opportunity, and please make use of this platform. Because for Meghalaya Football Association also, we are looking upon you. If football is going to grow in India, in Meghalaya, I agree with Bami. We need to have start football right from the grassroots level. In Meghalaya Football Association, we always discuss that we need to see good players to represent the state of Meghalaya. And we also have a thought with us that if we get the support from the government, even Meghalaya Football Association will come up with a football academy, so that in the future we will get the good and the quality players. That's what we have in our mind. So, with these few words, once again, I'd like to take my opportunity to wish you all the very best. Safe journey. Please do well. Please come up. Come back to the state, come back to the country with a champion trophy. But shwa kabang ang shop, na shwa ba may kubay pang ipi baro ti players jang ka Minken Christian Higher Secondary School, ibalik ban siya mata hamti po Paris, kini ka kabuksiar na lajong pi iwi baro, let chite long vibran kodon baro, long vibran discipline, berkemah kejire haban treshon, haban minon, but one mumbo yang jom hapo. Baro ngide Ibrio. Warong bakide kitim baro France, Spain, ikhamla banyapi. Ni baro ngide iju Ibrio. But mau ni jad berdiri hapo ke dalam negara, ke jad berkasi ngide Ibrio di basata. Ibrio di bayade. But when ngide banjo. Kila banjol kalian kami le. Keputusan kalau kami misir jompi bidang. Kasat kepong ke blay YP penengkam hanakor kemudian. Nanti bidang nyosnya si bomba kekata pikiran dong. Sebab penengkam yang kasat kepong jompi nama desian kanira pi bahawa aku resi kanira bro yang kejelas ni aku blay berkejuan kaya football. Tu blay berkat babi nelu babi minang ni undang kat kerja jompi tempat yang tidak masuk kuasai dilekai penat jemaah kejumusau bak kipat bak jom dalam kerja kau hendak dia berapa kikuah lebih berbenera ya kejunjung kini kepada tiap lesu kaya kemenkan school tidak keman ya kejela buat ya kerja di baru